So we've taken Jennifer's blood and we have spun it down, and we use only the highest quality equipment. This has the red blood cells and the white blood cells down here. This is what causes a lot of pain and irritation. This here is a patented plug, and it separates out the platelets. I'm now going to stop, and I am going to condense the platelets so that again we have high platelet count. And then we're going to go ahead and we are going to inject below her lid, where we're trying to get more support to regenerate the tissues so that again she has a stronger lower lid. We're going to again recondition the whole lower lid. This is a planned trauma. And so again, with the concentrated platelets, it's going to go in and regenerate her lower lid, which was weak when she came in, and we just want to completely regenerate it. We're going to go into a depth of 0.2 millimeters, and the laser is about 4 millimeters. So we're going down to create the energy, and then we're going to use the platelet-rich plasma to regenerate the tissues. So I'm going to make my first pass. You've been icing. She has numbing cream. In our Beverly Hills practice, we're using this a lot as a non-surgical approach to regenerate the tissues and support, especially the lower lid. We're also now aware that in addition, this reduces the pore size.